Hi again, and welcome to Week 2, Employee Categorization and Recruitment. This week's assignment also includes a reading from our McWay textbook, the Chapter 14 on Human Resource Management. Competencies for the week: to create effective human resource strategies for the recruitment, training, and retention of healthcare personnel. Breaking that down a bit, we're going to discuss two outside types of healthcare employment relationships and their purposes, such as locum tenens or outsourcing services. We're going to identify two legal responsibilities of healthcare facilities for ensuring compliance with labor laws and regulations. We're going to articulate the process for recruiting qualified healthcare employees and explain how the selection process impacts quality, cost, efficiency, and effective healthcare for our consumers and our patients. For our discussion, individuals working in a healthcare facility are not all permanent, full and part-time employees. There are various types of employment categories within organizations, such as independent contractors, employment at will, leased employees, and others. We're going to discuss types of employment relationships a facility might have other than with their permanent employees and include any experience that you may have had with those individuals. Then research and discuss some legal responsibilities that the healthcare facilities have with these types of employees versus their full and part-time staff. The assignment: staffing is a major function of human resource management focusing on recruitment of qualified healthcare candidates. We want you to research and describe three major components involved with the selection process and how it can impact quality care, cost, and improve the effectiveness and efficiency of the operations of a clinical healthcare setting. And I just want to remind you all again, remember to review all of the rubrics and instructions before and after the assignment is completed in order to maximize your grade.